Hello friends and assalamu alaikum. Welcome to my channel. I'm your designing developer. My name is Inshal Beg. I am a full stack developer and graphic designer. Today I will show you how to build one dice rolling game in Python, and I hope you will also enjoy this project like you know previous project of Python, like previous one of text-based adventure game. So just you have to do like, first of all you have to just hit the subscribe button, then after that you have to also hit the notification bell, from which you will be getting all the notifications of my videos. It will be also help for you, it will be also help for me. So just do these things here. And here now we will be starting with our dice rolling game project of Python. So first of all you have to just make a file of Python in which we will be writing all the codes of our Python project. So this is a text editor which I have just opened, which is called PyCharm. So this PyCharm is a really good text editor from which you can just run Python projects or any other project you can also do related to Python or HTML, CSS you can work with. But this is a really good text editor for only of Python. You can't, if you want to use, you can do that HTML, CSS and JavaScript, but it will be not looking really good enough. If you use in VS Code, it will be just really good. And this Python you can also use in VS Code if you don't have this PyCharm, because it takes some of the space in your computer here. So just you have to download that. So I will be showing you how to do that. But first of all you have to do one thing, like I'll be close window, then I'll be coming here. You have to write PyCharm. So create PyCharm here, then the first link will be coming of PyCharm, the Python IDE for professional. So I'll be pressing that here, then it will be taken to the PyCharm IDE which you have to download. You have to just press simply this download button, just it will be coming. You have to cross these things, press download button, then you can see you can just download this professional one version. Means if you want more advanced things in that, so you can download this PyCharm professional one, but it is of money. It will be also giving you free trial if you like, so you can just buy that here. But I am using this community one because it is a free open source text editor which you can just use. And if you are just using Mac, so it will be also given the downloads of Mac you can use. And if you are using Linux, so it will be also given you to the Linux, so you can use these things. So if I go to Windows, so you can see you can download this one which I am just using, because if you just do that, so it will be just money, so you have to just buy that. But I will be not doing these things here. So now like that you can download. So I'll be just close this window here. Now we will be just working with that. Now here you have to just open your file, but first of all we have to just create our file without open. So I'll be pressing right click on my project which I am making, press new, press Python file, because here we are making Python file obviously. Now here I will be coming and you have to just name your Python file here. So you can write rolling.py, or you can, if you don't write py and press enter, so it's not problem, because here it will be already created Python file, because here if we press Python file, so it automatically created Python file. Just you have to write your name of your file which you want to. So I'll be pressing enter because my dice file which is here, so if I just create it again, so it will be not creating. So I'll be pressing enter now. So here don't add that, press wrong, then I'll be zoom in so you can see this codes here. Now you can see my all the file change into red color, because here I've not download Git like I've telling you previously also. And if you want to download Git, so you can do that by going there. Okay, so now if I show its demo, you can see that it is just having some of the codes like that. So it will be, it is the code I am writing, so it will be also change these codes into random codes. Python just do that like previously I've telling you. So just when we write any of the codes, like, so it changes that codes into random codes here which we have to use. So here I'll be coming here, then here you can just write a tag which should be import random. So here I'll be writing import random. So this random is a library or package you can say to just work with this, because here like in React we also import these things, like import React from React DOM, then we import React. So here in Python we have to import random and many other things. So if you don't have this random, so you can go to terminal and write here like you have to don't write npm, because this is a command of React, but we are using Python, so we have to write pip install, and I'll be writing random, and then you have to press enter, and it will be take some time to just download that. So I have just already download, so because of that there is coming error here, and it is asking like could not find a version that satisfy the requirement random. So you can see, so I'll be minimizing that here, then you can just work with really cool. So I'll be doing one thing, like I'll be coming here, and here I'll be writing input tag in which I will be writing like press enter to roll dice. So I'll be writing press enter to roll dice. So I'll be writing. Now here when you've just done that, you have to don't write any tag, come underneath again, and here I'll be first of all going to top, and here I'll be writing input tag, and it should be just empty here, because in this input tag I'll be writing nothing. It will be like dice I am writing here. So I'll be coming here now, and here if I just show you the original one, you can see it is just like that. Now here I will be doing one thing, like I'll be coming here and I will be just doing one thing, I'll be copying this tag here. Now copy that, erase from here and paste that here. Now I will be creating a tag which will be input, and here I'll be writing like I'll be writing first of all the dice rolling game. If I do that, so here when you've done that, so here you have to just this is dice rolling game. You can also write this is dice rolling game. So here I'll be writing that save all, press save all. Now if you don't do that, so nothing about that, you can just run that by doing these things. Now here I'll be doing one thing, like I'll be coming here now, and here you have to just do like close this file here, and you have to just come here again and create a tag which will be random equal randint, then equal to 1 you have to write here. Now when you've just done with that things, you have to do nothing, you have to come underneath here, and here I will be writing a tag which will be like input, and in this input I will be just coming here again and I will be changing this to like that. And here first of all I'll be raising this thing here because here I don't need that all. So here when you've just done that, I will be doing one thing, like I'll be raising this tag which I have written here, because now here I'll be writing an input tag which we need to just write. Then I'll be writing that, and here I'll be doing one thing, like I will be coming, then I'll be writing dashes here. So here you have to write this, and first of all I will be doing one thing, like I'll be not writing these things here. First of all I'll be writing a dice which we have to know, so I'll be writing this dice which we have to just write here. This is a one number which I have to write, like I've telling you. Now I will be coming here again, create input tag here also, then you have to just create a tag like that, and here I'll be writing 2 now. So here you have to write 2 like that, but here we have to just take a space here also. So I'll be doing one thing, like I'll be coming here now, then like that you have to write 2. So I'll be doing one thing, like press backspace here, so from here also. Now here when you've just done that, press backspace here, then front, and here you have to also do space bar here. So when you've just done with that thing, so you have to do nothing, like you have to just come here again, and here I will be just coming underneath, creating input tag here also. Just I will be doing one thing, like I'll be coming here and I will be also creating 2 like that here also, but I will be just changing this to like 4. Okay, so for doing that I will be doing one thing, like I will be coming here. So here when you've just done with that thing, so I'll be doing one thing, like I'll be coming here underneath. Okay, so it is good, and you have to also come here, so now it is good. So when you've just done with that things here, so I'll be doing one thing, like I will be coming underneath by pressing here, so I'll be just doing like that. Now here I'll be writing 3, but 3 is not written like that, here it is written in one line. So I'll be writing here, press backspace. So you can see now how good looking is that. So I'll be doing one thing, like I'll be writing like that, backspace, and here also. So now here we have to press enter because here we want space on these things. Then I will be coming here and I will be just changing this tag to like that. And when you've just done with that things here, so you have to do one thing, like you have to come forward of that and you have to create a tag which should be like that, this and this, and here I'll be writing a space here. But here I'll be doing one thing, like I'll be writing another input tag which should be same like that, and it should be same, like we will be writing 4 like that, because 4 is already written like that in dice rolling, like I've telling you and shown you, and you also know these all things if you just play Ludo or any other game like that. So here I'll be doing one thing, like I'll be coming underneath here, create input tag again, then here you can also copy these things if you want to. So here I'll be coming and creating that here like 3. So here I'll be writing that, but here you have to just create it like that, space here also now in center. So here when you've just done with that thing, so I'll be pressing backspace here. Now it is just you have to do like space bar, then here it is good. So when you've just done that, just you have to do space from here. Then here I'll be doing one thing, like I'll be pressing enter, create input tag, and here I'll be writing that to like 5. So I'll be writing here also, then I'll be writing here also. Now but there is one problem coming, like I'll be changing this to like that and like that. So here we have just 5 written also, so here I'll be coming, then here I will be just coming here also, then I'll be writing that to input, and here now we have to just make 6. So here I'll be writing that, then here I will be coming and creating 6. So here you have to do like write like that, write like that, then here I'll be coming here also, then I will be pressing enter, and you have to just do one thing like that, then I'll be pressing enter here. And when you've just done with that things, you have to close this one, and I will be coming here by writing this tag here, right O here, then here also, and here I'll be doing like that. So when you've just done that, press enter here. Then I will be doing one thing, like I will be coming here and writing O here, means like this tag. Then after it I'll be coming forward and creating this. Now it is 6, you can see that. Close here also. So now it is good, you can see that. Now it is looking really good here. Now when you've just done with that thing here, I'll be doing one thing like saving here by pressing save all, and now it is good. So when you've just done that all things, now if I press this run button, so it will be run and it will be looking really good. Press run. So now you can see that there is asking like this is dice rolling game, press enter to roll your dice. So I'll be pressing enter, and now here it will be asking to roll that all things. So here you have to just wait some of the time, because it will be take some time to just roll your dice here also. So here if I just open this file, you can see that we are getting many other things here. So when you've just done that all things, so you have to press enter again. So you can see we are getting answer like that 5. So here you have to press enter 2 times. If I show you by running that here, so you have to press 1 time, then it is not run, so press another time. So you can see now it is coming 6. So if I close that here, then you have to just do like that and press enter 2 times here. So here also now you can see 2 is coming. Okay, so like that you can just run your dice rolling game, and like that you can just give any of the answers. So I hope you understand this project of Python, and I hope you also enjoy my previous one project of like text-based adventure games. So just you have to practice these all project of Python, and I hope you will be a good programmer of Python also, like you're of many other languages programmer. So just you have to practice these all things, and I hope you will be a good programmer. And just I will be also uploading some of the tutorial of Python like I've telling you previously. So it will be just really help to you to learn Python and many other languages which will be coming in future. So I will meet you in next project.